Hello and welcome. I need a really good intro. Okay. Today we are going to be making one of Walt's favorite things, his chili, but we're making it with a twist.
We will have a handicap that we have quite literally no idea what it is yet. We have a few options and we will see how well we can cook this.
Little to like, yes, that. And at the end, we have to taste the food. We have to at least taste it.
Okay.
You're picking first.
No. Mouth taste. Oh no.
I just don't want the blindfolded one. No amounts listed on recipe.
Okay, we can do that.
Can we? Okay, so we've taken off the measurements of the recipe. This could be interesting, right, Uni? Wash hands. Yeah, wash hands. Good idea. Heat oil in large Dutch oven over medium heat for 5 minutes. Do we have a Dutch oven? We have a Dutch oven. What is this? Oil? Oh, okay. Okay, so it probably has to be just like little to like, yes, that. Add stew meat and saute for 10 minutes until meat is browned on all sides. Remove stew meat from pan and set aside. Stir 10 minutes. Wow, we're gonna be actually good at this. Do I put it all in? How much do we put in? We don't know! Oh! Train. Bumpy train. Waves. Okay. Driving the boat at Disneyland, waving high as he passes by. Big waves. Cruise. Snow White. Combing your hair. Oh, Little Mermaid. Oh, that's what this was. Remove stew meat from pan and set aside. Are we sure we're supposed to put this much in here? Add onions and green pepper. So now we need green peppers and onions. How many do you think we need? Do we just do one? One of each? I will cut the onion because it makes you cry. I've heard there's a trick that if you put bread in your mouth while you cut onions, that it doesn't make your eyes water. I don't have bread, but I mean, someone out there try it because I don't have bread. Stop making me laugh, I'm gonna chop my finger off. Add onions and green pepper. Saute 8 to 10 minutes until soft. Oh, I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. There they are, just standing in a row. This just makes me want some chow mein from Panda Express. You're crying? Gorilla? Tarzan. Add ground beef. Cook, stirring occasionally to break up large chunks of beef for 10 to 12 minutes until beef is no longer pink. I guess we're adding the whole thing. Drain excess fat. Is there fat in there? Return stew meat to Dutch oven with ground beef mixture. Add ground cumin, chili powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, tomato paste, diced plum tomatoes, diced canned tomatoes, beef base, and water. Like a half teaspoon. Half tablespoon? It's got a lot of meat in there. Maybe we need more. We'll do 2 heaping spoons. Diced plum tomatoes. Now, my Walmart did not have plum tomatoes. They had cherry tomatoes, and they had these tomatoes, which I thought were like the size of a plum. So, we went with these. Oh no, our knives are not sharp enough. Stop it! I'm about to cut my finger off! Do I put the whole thing in? Beef based in water. This is where things can go very wrong because beef based can be overdone very quickly. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. That doesn't look like enough. And then water. Maybe add it like a little bit at a time. I mean, that is starting to look like a chili, so. Cover and simmer over low heat for 3 hours. We're not doing that. Add pinto beans, simmer for 10 minutes until beans are warm. Should I put the whole thing in? Honestly, that looks really good.
Since it's already simmering and we're waiting for it to finish, we're gonna see the actual measurements of everything and see
how we did.
Oh no. 1/4 cup olive oil.
3/4 pounds stew. We did the whole pound.
How
That's
much?
why there was so much.
Well, 1/4 more pound though shouldn't be too bad.
I don't know. It was chunky.
That's true.
1 small onion. Okay, so
Not bad.
I didn't do the whole onion, so that's kind of like that. 1 medium pepper. We did 1
that.
pepper.
We did that.
4 cloves garlic.
Watching.
We did 4 big scoops. 1 pound ground beef. Okay, we did that.
Okay.
1 tablespoon cumin.
Either less or enough of it.
I don't think we did a tablespoon. I don't think a lot of these are tablespoons.
Wow, we did not do enough.
1.5 tablespoons chili powder. We
No.
definitely didn't do that. 1 tablespoon onion powder. Yeah, we didn't do tablespoon stuff. 3/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper.
I may have added a lot more than that.
I'm fine with that.
I like it spicy.
3 tablespoons tomato paste. Okay, so we did that. 2 plum tomatoes. We did 2.
Okay.
1 can of tomato. We did that. 2 tablespoons beef base.
We did about 2.5, so I think we're okay.
1.5 cups water. That's kind of,
eyed it.
1 can pinto bean. We did
Great.
that. Salt to taste. We actually did pretty
Okay.
good.
It's the seasonings we need to work on.
Seasonings I'm a little worried about.
It looks good.
We'll salt it.
I don't know if you can see that, but it looks good.
I'm so nervous.
This is fresh off the stove.
Cheers.
Cheers. Honestly, it's not terrible.
I actually think it tastes really good.
You do? I think it could use a little more flavor, but like...
That's actually like banging.
I think we did pretty good,
Wow.
honestly.
I would say like 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
We missed some spices there, but
It's still tasty
very
though,
good.
that's the thing. It's still good. And when you add cheese in it, it adds more texture and flavor to
Wow,
it, which
yeah,
is great.
that's really
I think we
good.
freaking crushed that.
Woo! What's our outro?
I got this.
Okay, go for it.
Take 2. Thanks for joining us on Cooking with Ty and Uni. Join us next time to see what Disney recipe we are going to try next.
Like, subscribe, comment, do all those things. Whoa!
Bye bye!